So guys, this is how you can identify a valid order block in forex. So you don't need any other teachings. This is the only way you can identify a valid order block. But first, please subscribe to this channel. It has been long that I posted a video in this YouTube channel, but I'm sorry. Just subscribe to this channel so that whenever I post any video like this, any important video like this, you'll be the first person to get notified and watch the video. So if you're a beginner in forex trading, so this is how you can identify order block. Order blocks is one of the point of interest in forex. If any candle touch a valid order block, it will react, it will make the candle to change location either up or down. So you need to know what is order block. So let's move to the screen and I will show you how you can identify a clean and valid order block you can use in trading and be making money, cool cash, and be cashing out and withdrawing every month. So let's move to the screen and don't forget to click on subscribe button. Let's go. So this is how you can identify a valid order block. Number one, first rule is it must break structure or change character. All of you know what is break or structure. Let me show you the diagram of break of structure. When price is going higher, when price do something like this, it's creating higher high, lower low, higher high, higher low, higher high. So it's breaking structure. It's breaking structure. This is a break of structure. Break of structure here. A break of structure here. So this is how you can identify a break of structure. So let's move to the main thing. So if you want to identify a valid order block, it must have a break of structure or change of character. Number two, so you can see the break of structure here. See the break of structure. Here is the break of structure. This is a bullish. This is a bullish market. This is a market structure. The market is bullish. The trend is bullish, upwards trend. So this one is break of structure in a bearish market. So this is how you can identify a break of structure. If you don't know how to identify a break of structure, or what we are talking in this video is a valid order block. So a valid order block must have a break of structure or change of character. So number two, it must sweep liquidity, and liquidity is money. The smart money concept, they say that the people that are pushing the market need money, need money. So liquidity is money. So they are gathering money so that they will push the market. They push the market to a specific point. So you need a sweep of liquidity. A sweep of liquidity for an order block to be a valid order block. So sweep of liquidity. So if you look closely, here is liquidity. This is a high. This is a high. This is a low. Then price started consolidating, and the price did not like cut. The price did not cross this area. It was consolidating. So anything that is consolidating and later broke at is sweep of liquidity, and any swing point is liquidity. So there is swing point here. There's swing point here. There's swing point here. So this is a sweep of liquidity. That's why we mark out this. That's why we mark out here as our liquidity. Here now, as our liquidity. That's why mark out there as our liquidity. So it must sweep liquidity, and there must be a fair value gap present. Like a fair value gap is a gap. It's a fair value gap can also be called an imbalance. So see a fair value gap. A fair value gap here. beside other block is beside other block is also validating an other block, making the other block to be more stronger. The last one is the other block should not be mitigated. Other block should not be mitigated. See what I mean by other block should not be mitigated. Other block should not be mitigated. So you have something like this, a break of structure, and the next move came and touched the other block before going up. This other block is now mitigated. So one of the rules of a valid other block is the other block should not be mitigated. So we have something like this. No candle should touch other block. To it reach your it sweep liquidity, then you buy or you sell. So this is a valid order block. Let's go to the chart and let me show you the real chart. Let me show you the chart. So let's go to the chart and let me show you a valid order block. This one is what? See a break of structure here. See a break of structure. Break of structure to the upside. That means we are in an uptrend. Break of structure. Have you seen it? A break of structure. So what is resting here? This is what? This is other block. Other block. See an other block. See how? Okay, have you seen the movement later touch the other block and back? So this is an other block. Other block. Then if you look closely, you will see a fair value gap beside it. You see a fair value gap beside it. Let me just mark it out. You see a fair value gap beside it. You see a fair value gap. Have you seen it? That's also making the other block more valid. So fair value gap. Have you seen it? So when market, all of these things are liquidity. Everything that is resting here is liquidity. So market swept the liquidity and touch other block. Then here is where you will add your where you place your buy or sell limit, or just publish it like that, execute it like that. Then you put it like this. This is a sniper index. You just touch the other block and do not wait and run away. So then it have break another structure to the upside. Have you seen it? It have break another structure to the upside. This is how we will be doing it and be catching many pips. Be catching so many pips by following these rules. And other block is here. Then it will react. It will react from here. Have you seen it? So this is how you can identify another block. If you find this video helpful, please try to share this video so that many people will see it, and subscribe to this channel so that whenever I post any video like this for newbies, they will get notified. Thank you for watching.